Hey guys, how are you guys doing today? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be doing the easiest DIY leave-in conditioner for our hair, and this is the easiest, guys, amongst all the hair butters I've been making. So guys, if you want to know how I made this fluffy butter, then carry on watching. Welcome back, beauties. So as you guys already know, it's always straight to the point, right? Yes. So starting off, I already measured half cup of shea butter and I'm just transferring that into my bowl. I just like to measure everything so I get the right consistency and everything is even. So this is half cup of shea butter and I'm going to melt this by putting it in hot water. That's the hot water. So I'll just let this sit in until it completely melts down. There's no giving period though, but just keep it until it melts. So this is what it looks like, all melted down, and I'm just going to start adding up the other ingredients. Guys, this is the easiest hair butter. You don't need anything spectacular. I don't need any special ingredients, just few oils and we are good to go. So the first thing I'm going to add is 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, as you can see, and this is going to prevent a dry and flaky scalp. It's going to prevent hair breakage, and it also moisturizes the hair as a leave-in treatment. Then the next ingredient I'm going to add is olive oil. And guys, you already know how important it is to add olive oil into any ingredient you're using for your hair, because it has a whole lot of benefits. And one benefit which I like about olive oil is that it reduces scalp irritation a whole lot. So that's 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and the next thing I'll add is honey. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of honey as well, and honey reduces hair breakage, it restores shine to your hair, it improves the condition of your hair, it reduces frizz, it softens the hair, and it moisturizes dry hair and scalp. So moving on to the next thing I'll be adding is tea tree oil. Guys, the benefits of tea tree oil cannot be overemphasized. I'm adding a few drops. This oil treats dry scalp, treats dandruff, prevents hair loss, and boosts hair growth. Now the next essential oil I'm going to use is lavender oil. So this oil is antimicrobial, it curbs skin inflammation, and it has a calming effect and divine fragrance. So I just added a few drops of it in there, and now I'm just going to stir everything together. As you can see, the honey is settled at the bottom, so I'll just try to stir it so all the oils are well combined. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to cover this up and put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes, just for it to, solidify a little bit, and then I can start whipping. So that's just about okay, and you guys already know the drill. I'm going to cover this up with cling film and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes like I said earlier. So this is out of the fridge already. It's been 30 minutes since I put it there, and this is what it looks like after bringing it out from the fridge, and I am ready to start whipping it now. This is one of my favorite parts in making this butter. Now watch how this yellowish color is going to turn to a milk color. So you just keep whipping for a few minutes. You whip until you get the consistency you're looking for. So you're going to whip it till it becomes fluffy and very sweet. The texture is so good to manipulate. So just keep whipping and whipping and whipping. So guys, after I whip for a while, I turn off my mixing machine and use a spoon or a spatula to scrape everything so that all the ingredients are well combined, because it tends to settle. Some ingredients tend to settle at the bottom, especially the honey and some of the other oils. So make sure not to miss this part. You turn off your mixer, scrape it well, and make sure that everything is well combined, and then you continue whipping. So guys, I want you guys to know that this hair butter can work for all hair types, and for some it can be used at the ends of the hair to smoothen frizzy ends, and you can also use it as an edge tamer or to smoothen the hair and add shine. Oftentimes you do not even need too much, just a little dab would go a long way. And you can use this for stylings, you can use it as twist out, you can use it for braid out, for bantu knots, you can use it for slick buns, and you can also use this as a heat protectant. Yes guys, you can use it as a heat protectant. And some tips on how to use it: you can apply this daily on both dry and damp hair. It works perfectly. You can use this on dry split ends to prevent hair breakage, and this is used to seal in moisture. Very good to seal in moisture. So guys, there are so many different ways you can use this hair butter. So at this point I think I'm okay with the consistency I have, and I'm just going to turn off my mixing machine and transfer this into the container I'll be storing it in. Now this has to be my absolute favorite part of making my hair butter, the part where I have to transfer it into my container. Man, I just love the consistency. I love how fluffy it looks. This looks like ice cream. Guys, it looks like ice cream, but do not try testing this. No, not good for consumption. So you guys, can you see how fluffy this looks? Very sweet texture. Man, I love this. So guys, this is the easiest DIY leave-in conditioner you can make for your hair. You can use this anyhow you feel like, and this is what I have now. So if you use the exact measurements I used in this video, you're going to get a 200 grams hair butter. Yes, so this container is 200 grams and it fits in perfectly. So guys, this is one of my other favorite parts, when I have to rub this on my skin to see how it blends in. You know, I always have to do this because I love doing it. So guys, look at how shiny it is on my skin. Look at the difference between where I rubbed it and where I did not rub it. So this is what it's going to do to your hair. If it can make your skin shine like this, then imagine what it will do to your hair. It will give your hair a beautiful shine and moisturize your hair, amongst the other benefits you're going to get. So this is all about this video, and I hope you guys like it. Guys, like I said, it is the easiest DIY leave-in conditioner you can make. So let me know if you're going to make this. You don't need special ingredients for this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you can like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.